This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Traditional stone and frame College Hill Colonial located on a private lot. Beautiful exterior with recently replaced slate roof, $80,000, outdoor patios, and gardens. This uniquely designed home enters through a front foyer/center hall. The living room and dining room have random width peg floors. 2 fireplaces, both with historic iron firebacks, both dated 1756. Modern kitchen, granite countertops. This unique design home splits front to back. A guest suite is located on ground level at the rear of the home, consisting of a guest bedroom, bath, and study. The second floor offers 3 additional spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths. A 5th bedroom/office is located on the top floor, with additional attic space above. The lower level recreation room offers a second fireplace, half bath, and plenty of storage. Off-street parking and a 2-car garage are located at the rear of the property. A truly special home. For more information,